The corrosion here suggests it's been exposed for decades. We need to stabilize the fuselage before recovery. Marine grout has seized the screws completely. I'll use the precision driver to slowly break the corrosion. By heating the seized components, Alex can remove the century-old fasteners without damaging the delicate structure underneath. The gauge is heavily corroded, but Alex is meticulously recovering the delicate brass gears inside. This data is crucial for understanding the aircraft's final moments. The ultrasonic tank uses high-frequency sound waves to blast away decades of corrosion without damaging the delicate components. The laser ablation process allows us to remove decades of corrosion without damaging the underlying structure. It's crucial for preserving the artifact. This 3D printing process allows us to fabricate a perfect replacement for the lost technology. The bezel ring must be secured perfectly to maintain the seal. This gauge is finally ready for recalibration. Okay, we have hydraulic pressure now. The system is responding. After 6 months, the panel is finally complete. It's ready for testing. The corrosion analysis is complete. We can move this section to the climate-controlled container now. It's incredible how well the cockpit survived the initial impact. We need to document everything before the salvage operation begins. There we are. The fit is perfect. Another piece of history secured. There we go. Master switch engaged. We have power to the cockpit. This is the main breaker housing. You can see the extent of the corrosion here. We're carefully detaching it now for transport back to the lab. We've secured the flight controls and the main breaker housing. The corrosion is extensive, but the data is intact. Time to get this back to the lab. The switch is completely frozen. We're looking at significant electrolysis here. Recovery will be delicate. As you can see, the laser precisely removes the corrosion layer by layer, revealing the pristine metal underneath. We use a fine abrasive pad to remove the oxidation, then apply a conductive grease before checking the continuity. After the ultrasonic bath, we have to meticulously test every switch to ensure the mechanism is fully functional again.
0.00 ohms. The circuit is sound.
All right, engaging the primary breakers now. And there we go, we have green across the board. Power is restored to the cockpit. The laser ablation process allows us to remove decades of corrosion without damaging the underlying structure. A successful power-up. This radio panel is a critical link to the past, and now, it's alive again. This is the Norden bombsight radio control. After months of restoration, it's finally ready for transport. We must ensure the environment is sterile before it ships. All right, let's see what we have here. The console is heavily corroded, but these navigation systems might still be intact. That feels right. We've eliminated the play, ensuring the lever holds its position without being overly stiff.
We're bringing the main battery supply online now. Let's see if the relays hold. We have power. The signal is clear. We have power. The systems are responding perfectly. She is alive again.
The restoration of this cockpit proves that even in this graveyard, history can be brought back to life. Alex has spent months restoring this cockpit, a beacon of history reclaimed from the jungle fog.
Good, that should hold it tight against the wind.
After months of work, the cockpit finally lives again. Our mission here is complete, but there are still so many lost pieces waiting to be found.